Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm getting my lashes done, nails, hair, all that. So right now, I'm finna go get my nails done. I just took these off last night. Only like 2 of them naturally came off, and it's been like a month. And as y'all can see, my lash extensions, they still on. I tried to take them off last night, but with some like oil, but that didn't really work. So I think I'm gonna try doing Vaseline. If not, I'm gonna just have to have her take it off. I picked a bad time to come to Wendy's. The line that we're going out the parking lot, but I just got out my nail appointment. Oh, I need to stop at the bank too. I couldn't stop before because I was running behind, but yeah, here my nails are. I'm supposed to have class. I got one class today, chemistry. I don't think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just go to my lash appointment later and just eat and chill probably. But y'all, should I wait? I don't know if I should wait or should I just go in. I hate going in, but yeah, we're gonna see. This Wendy's kind of move fast though. We gonna see. Y'all, for one, I just drove past the bank. I was so eager to eat. In the line, they didn't take that long. That one needs to be moving. But yeah, I'm so eager to eat. I just drove right past the bank. So I had to like wrap around because I was in the wrong lane. But I meant to choose the bill amount. Because why they gave me, I don't like this one. They gave me all 50s. All 50s. So hopefully my dad got some change. Cause this ain't gonna work. Cause that means I would have to get a braider $250. And my hair is gonna be like $240. And my deposit was like $15, so that would be a big tip. Well, hopefully my dad got change. But I'm finna go eat this Wendy's. I might text my lash tech if she could do me earlier if I'm not gonna go to class. So yeah, y'all, I was sitting in my bed watching YouTube, like my appointment, like I'm not supposed to be getting ready for my appointment, but I'm finna get ready to get my lashes done. My appointment's at 3:30. I could not get these off, as y'all can see. I got a few off. I put some Vaseline on it and I let it soak, and I left it on for like over 30 minutes probably, and I tried to take it off. They still wasn't coming off. I don't know what type of glue she used, but I'm gonna just have her do it. Hopefully that's not a problem because I didn't like add that to the service, but yeah, we finna see. So y'all, this new spot, it's a lot further. It's like 20 minutes away from my house. The last spot was only like 10. Y'all, why I'm on the highway like I'm going to the damn airport, like, and I hate being on the highway during rush hour because it's always just, I don't know, y'all, it's always just too much going on. It gives me anxiety. I hate being on the highway during rush hour, but I'm almost there luckily. This is too far from my house, man. And you can't see the location until after you book the appointment. So I didn't know it was this far, but I figured. But yeah,
continue straight, then use the left lane to make a U-turn.
Let me pay attention, y'all. So I was supposed to be over here, but I thought she was She said something about waiting in the waiting area. And I just came in and saw this door, so I thought this was just a room. So, yeah, I was tripping. All right, y'all, I'm all done. I got a bad headache. I don't know. I don't think my scarf is that tight, so I don't know if it was the light or what. But my head was starting to hurt. I was just ready to get up out of there, but yeah. So I'm gonna have to wash and blow dry my hair tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be ready for to get my hair braided tomorrow. So yeah, I might come back on here, I might not, we're gonna see. But if not, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow to get this hair braided up, and then we're gonna be ready to go. Good morning, y'all. It's time for my hair appointment. I'm running behind. I've been running like behind for like all my appointments, and I've been getting there like right on time, but I like to be like at least 5 minutes early so I could like sit in their chair right at my appointment time. But the lighting's so bad. All right. I need a snack or something. It say it's supposed to take 4 hours, but I know it's not gonna take 4 hours for her to do my hair. Last time I went to her, I think it took like 5 or so hours. So we're gonna see how long it takes with me getting Goddess braids or bohemian braids. Yeah, so I guess I'm gonna just grab a snack and then rush there. Hopefully I get there at a reasonable time. Can y'all see them snowflakes, y'all? And it is 17 degrees. Like, this is why I gotta get out of the city. That's why I need to be somewhere warm on a beach. Like, I'm so sick of this snow and this winter. Like, I'm over it. Okay, I'm here. This lighting. Y'all see that car behind me? It's her. She getting the F on. She ready to go. I just got in the car and she already got her stuff packed up and ready to go. But as y'all can see, my hair is done. I'm gonna show y'all better when I get home. Came at 9:30 around that time, and it's like 5 o'clock. So y'all already know, like, these size braids take a good minute to do, but it's worth the wait. It really wasn't that bad. I was watching YouTube, I was on TikTok, I was editing, I edited a little TikTok, I was watching TV, talking, like, we was doing all type of stuff. But yeah, I'm so excited. My hair is so cute. I'm so glad that they, let me not show her cars too much. I'm so glad that they're so full. They're so full and thick and long. And I got human hair because that's, you know, I already did my braids with the synthetic hair, and that ain't it for me. But I got like a 20-minute drive. That's not far, and I'm really just driving straight for like 90% of the drive. But yeah, let's see how it's hitting the sunlight. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all better when I get to the house. I'm in the sunroom. I'm going to show y'all the length. It's just a flat length. She ate. I love my hair. This is so cute. I gotta get it done like this when I go to like Mexico or Jamaica type. This hair is almost too cute for Myrtle Beach. But I guess I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't think it's anything else I need to show y'all. I'm gonna get my toes done on Monday, but that's not something that need to be in the vlog. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my try on haul and the travel vlog. yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.